and I admire the most for the English country, so congratulations, you were able to vote. So you decide, you decide. So at the end, democracy is like that. So after that, what happened in the process 2 years after of course, it's a new situation, you have to adapt, but I think the work and the rules have to be the same for everybody. And you know, why the football has been exceptional for, and the other people who's a lawyer or an architect or is not able to come here to work, and football players, yes, why? So I think it has to be, but again, so you are able to vote, so not in all the places can do that.